recipe is gonna be in the description box underneath the video, in grams and in cups, okay? But I'm mixing very soft butter with sugar here, and I'm using organic coconut sugar, guys, only because I want them to be a little healthier. Cookies are cookies, don't stress. You can use white sugar if you want, okay? Or even brown sugar for that matter, make it nice and chewy. This is healthier than refined white sugar, so I have a cup of each, and I'm just going to mix it all in until it's nice and creamed. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla grows on this island, and one of these days I want to take you to the farm. You gotta do that. 2 eggs at room temperature. And mix that in really well, guys. We want it to be nicely creamed. I'm gonna be using whole wheat flour for these cookies. Again, if you wanna use white flour, go ahead. But I have whole wheat flour in here, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, a pinch of black pepper, that brings out the spices beautifully, salt, and baking soda. I'm just gonna add it to my wet ingredients. All right, this dough needs to be refrigerated for at least an hour, guys. Cover your bowl so that you don't have refrigerator flavors in your cookies, okay? This ended up staying in the fridge overnight. I had to leave the house, so now let's bake these cookies, okay? I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar in this bowl. Again, if you're using another sugar, that's fine. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of cardamom to it, and I'm gonna mix it. We're gonna wash our hands. We're going to spoon dough out, and we're going to make a ball. You can make these as big as you want. And then I want you to roll them in the sugar and put them on your baking sheet. I have one with parchment paper. So now we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 centigrade for about 12 minutes. All right, these were in the oven for 12 minutes. They are still a little soft. It's okay. They are going to, harden as they cool down. These are very spongy cookies, guys. They're very, very nice. Try and not get them too close so this doesn't happen to you. No harm done. We're gonna let them cool down completely, and then we'll taste them, okay? But see, they're lightly browned. I really wish you guys could smell these cookies. They are amazing. So as I told you, they're spongy. Look at that, super moist. Guys, they are loaded in flavor. You should get about 36 of these cookies, okay? Depending on the size. Keep them in an airtight container up to a week and enjoy. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.